Welcome, so today I am with Samsung Galaxy A13 and I want to show you a couple of camera tricks. Okay, so with the first we are going to start from the standard modes. And at the first I'm going to show you how easy you can change the brightness level on the photo, video and other modes. So we have to basically tap on the screen and then move the sun icon to the right or to the left to increase or decrease brightness level. To adjust automatically, just tap on the screen once. Okay, and right now if you wonder how to use the zoom feature, so you can use the presets, right? It's ultra wide lens, 1x, 2x and also more like 4x and 10x. Works nice, but we can also click and hold like that and we got this slider. And with this slider we can use zoom feature definitely more easier. Just like that. Okay, you can also enable the timer by tapping right here. You got 2, 5 and 10 seconds. So let's enable, for example, for the 2 seconds. Click on the shutter. And after 2 seconds, as you can see, the photo was taken. So it's useful when you, for example, want to take photo on the tripod. When you click in this place, you are able to add filters. They change the color and the temperature. As you can see, how they change the look of the photo, and with this slider you can adjust the strength of the filter. Take photo by tapping on the shutter, and if you want to get rid of this filter and go for the normal colors, go for the original and then tap outside. And that's how the photo looks. A little bit different from this one. Okay, right now we can go for the video mode, and right here you can change the resolution of between the full HD and HD. You can also change the aspect ratio. Just like that we can fulfill the screen with this full ratio. You can also make the same in the photo mode. And what is the interesting option, that you can switch 4:3 to the 4:3 with the 50 megapixel mode. And this mode allows us to get more details on the photo. So if you want to get your photo looks very sharp, just go for the 50 megapixel mode. Okay, and right now we can also drag like that from the shutter and you will get another one, the floating shutter button. It works the same like this one. And for example, it works when you click once like that, as you can see. And you can just drag it right here to hide this option. When you click and hold on your shutter, you are also able to record the video, and you can lock by tapping on this lock icon. Basically not tapping, just dragging. And right now you can record video and take photos while recording. When you want to finish, just click right here. You can also open the settings where you can find more options. For example, you can turn on or turn off the grid lines. So when you enable the grid lines, you got, this help lines on the photo, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. And for example, if you want to put this phone in the middle, you can make it definitely easier right now. Okay, and the last option that we can find in the settings is useful. It will be in the shutting methods, and it's the volume key function. So currently we can use it as a shutter, but we can switch to zoom in or out, and take a look right now how great it works. So basically that's another way how we can use the zoom feature on the phone. Okay, and actually that's all my top tricks for this Samsung Galaxy A13. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.